So we have covered up the 40. The next part will be clean it with some anti-silicone clean.
Stop. What? Isn't the 40 finished? Hey guys, Wrenching here. So to clarify, this video is from the beginning of the project. It was recorded back in 2020 and we didn't want you to miss out on it. So what you're gonna see in this episode is some pre-painting work, some filler, some wet grinding, and also, of course, the painting of the old lady. Make sure to also check out the prior episode, my biggest regrets regarding the BJ restoration. Without further hesitation, let's go. What you're seeing here is we are applying some silicone remover to get rid of the stains. A good rule of thumb is the paper which you wipe it down with should be clean.
We have cleaned the body with some silicone cleaner on the next bed.
And on to the filler part. DT is applying the filler 3 times here to get rid of the old buckles in the body. Fillering is just something you want to be as precise as possible because it makes all other steps so much easier.
Nice.
I have uncovered the 40. The filler is dry. Over the filler I have done some paint to see where I wet grinded our job yet, and it will take some time, is to wet grind it with some 600 grit paper. Then we will paint them and then you see what color I want. Why have I filled the car and not paint over the old yellow paint? The reason why, I want to remove all scratches from sandpaper, from the grinding, and so you get a smooth surface. I have done all wet sanding and yet I have covered up the car and anti-siliconed it, and yet we will paint it in a new color green. Let's go. We have painted the car that is roughly yet a week ago and it looks good. It's not perfect, but it will do it for this car. The firewall we will paint extra with the hardtop. Color of the car is Toyota Army Green from the 2020 Tacoma. Nice color. That was the episode with the painting, and in our next episode of Wrenching we will do the Raptor liner and I will show you what we do. Please like the video, subscribe. We see us the next time. Bye.